Hello everyone, welcome back to today's topic of the day. Today we'll be discussing about demand for Greater Tipraland. Now it is in news as the demands for Greater Tipraland rises in the ongoing elections preparations in Tripura. The TIPRA Indigenous Progressive Regional Alliance or the TIPRA Motha chief Pradyot Kishore Debbarma has recently launched the party's election manifesto for the upcoming Tripura Assembly polls in Agartala. TIPRA Motha is the newest political party in Tripura. The demand for Greater Tipraland has polarized the relationship between the tribals and the non-tribals in Tripura. Now let's understand what is Greater Tipraland. It is basically the area demanded by TIPRA Motha, which aims to carve out a new state, Greater Tipraland, for the 19 indigenous tribes of Tripura under Article 2 and 3 of the Constitution. Now, Article 2 and 3 authorize the Parliament for creation of new states and alter the area's boundaries or names of existing states from the territories of an existing state or states. The new state would be beyond the Tripura tribal area's autonomous district council areas and include several other villages where the Tipraha reside in large numbers. Now, let's see what was the need for such demand. The earlier demand was to carve out a separate state for the tribal population of Tripura from the TTAA-DC areas, that is, Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council. Greater Tipraland will help protect the culture and rights of the tribals. The present demand goes beyond the TTAA-DC areas and includes at least 36 more villages where the tribal population is in the range of 20 to 36%. Now coming to the reasons for the demand for new states, the economic backwardness of subregions within large states has also emerged as an important ground on which demands for smaller states are being made. Another reason, the lack of industry, agrarian crisis, and a low level of infrastructural facilities push demand for such states. And also the linguistic and cultural reasons, which were the primary basis for creating new states in the country, have now become secondary in most of these cases. Now let's check the issues involved. Setting up various institutions, government offices, universities, hospitals, etc. require huge sums of money. Different statehood may lead to the hegemony of the dominant community, caste, tribe over their power structures. They can lead to the emergence of intra-regional rivalries among the sub-regions. Now let's know more about Tripura. Tripura is a state in northeastern India, bordered by Bangladesh to the north, south and west, and the Indian state of Assam to the east. Tripura was a kingdom ruled by the Manekya dynasty from the late 13th century until the signing of the Instrument of Accession with the Indian government in 1949. Its capital is Agartala city. The official languages spoken here are Bengali and Kokborok. The state has a high literacy rate with 87.75% of the population being literate according to the 2011 census. Tripura is predominantly a rural state with 83.14% of the population living in rural areas. It is the home to several indigenous communities including the Tripuri, Riang, Jamatia and Noitya tribes who have their own distinct cultures and traditions. The major tourist attractions here include the Ujjanta Palace, Neer Mahal and the Tripura Sundari Temple. Now that was a little bit about the topic. Let's take a practice question. With reference to the formation of new states, consider the following statements. The Indian Constitution provides that the state has no say over the formation of new states beyond communicating its views to the Parliament. Statement 2. A bill calling for the formation of new states can be introduced in Parliament without the recommendation of the President. Now, which of the statements given above is or are correct? You may take a moment and give your answer in the comment section below. Now the correct answer is A, that is, only statement 1 is correct. Statement 2 is incorrect. I hope you liked the video and found the information useful. You may also check out our daily current affairs section on our website, and for more such videos, stay tuned to the Next IAS YouTube channel.